Ребята, это видео будет на английском языке, вот.
Это будет обзор на новую стиральную машину Хая вместе с сушкой.
8 килограмм стирает, 5 килограмм суши.
Не буду тянуть время, давайте переводить все по-английски и говорить по-английски. Hello, my dear subscribers.
Washing.
Washing machine.
In this video, there will be a new washing machine for 8 kilograms and 5 kilograms.
Let's define the inside of the tank. Front-loading type.
Let's take a look at the 12 programs.
And the first program is the cotton program.
This is a program that can wash cotton fabric at 90.
The next program is synthetics.
Big fabrics can be easily washed with this program at 60 degrees.
Please note that if the car is on these programs, it means that this is a program with an auto timer.
The next program is hygiene. The next program is hygiene. Who doesn't know? This is a program that can wash hygiene items.
Прошу прощения за то, что я ору так сильно.
Wool is a program that can wash woolen things. The temperature here is 40, and the revolutions here are 800 revolutions.
Drying is a program that can be used to dry things. It can be ironed, it can be standard, or it can be timed, if your electricity is cheaper.
A spin is a program in which you can wring out laundry, although they say that there is a maximum of 1400 revolutions. If 1400 wrappers, it means that it will be dry laundry.
Mixed fabrics are a program that can be washed firm. I don't know what. Well, let's skip that.
Children's clothes are a program that can be washed at 90 degrees, but there are 1200 revolutions here.
Bed linen is a program that can be washed out of bed. Something like a pillowcase, rug, a blanket, and something else.
Delicate washing is a program that can be washed from delicate items. Well, there are only 600 revolutions here, and the temperature is 30, and so it takes 51 minutes to wash.
Bistrica 15. This is a program that can be washed very quickly, and even in 15 minutes, but the temperature here is 40, and the maximum speed is 1400, and even drying is available. You want to...
Finally, the drum should be cleaned after 40 washes. To remove the scale, add citric acid. To remove the scale. Did you forget to tell me what an AirFresh is? Is it a program that can refresh your laundry?
Ну что, это был наш...
Если вы досмотрели это видео, не забудь поставить лайк и подписаться на мой канал. И все, всем пока и до завтра.